Okay, this piping is for the water heater temperature pressure relief valve and for the water heater safety pan. And this piping is okay. It actually might be a little close. This one right here might be a little close, but really it's okay. Now we'll talk about the water heater, but I'm going to go ahead and talk about, because it's plumbing. It's a gas water heater, so might as well talk about the gas. Okay, the gas is sealed as it goes in. That's a good thing. The electricity is bonded to the water heater. This is a good thing. All right. Now, this is allowed. It wouldn't be for water, and it's plumbing. You see this valve right here? That's your main shutoff valve. Parallel is on, and perpendicular is off. If you put these two little ears together, you can put a padlock in there. So if you don't pay your bill, somebody will do that for you. And that would turn it off. Okay, you want to turn it on. Parallel is on, perpendicular is off. This is the gas meter. That's your electric bonding, which is good. For your water heater, remember, this is the temperature pressure relief valve drain line. This is the up here. This is the safety pan drain line right here. All right, this guy, like this piping, okay, this piping's been insulated. This should be insulated. It's not insulated. Okay, this is the expansion tank. See how it's kind of crooked like that? It's not a problem. It being crooked like that is not a problem. It'd be nice if the insulation on the water supply lines came a little down closer to the tank. It's good today because I can see that you have dielectric unions. But, again, it'd be nice if it came all the way down to the tank. Now, I don't test temperature pressure relief valves. I never do, but I'm just new construction. I can pretty much see where all the piping goes. I did it. Maybe once or twice a year I'll do that. Okay, the gas line has a sediment trap. We have electronic ignition. This is the data plate here where it tells us that it's a 50-gallon water heater. And then, of course, this is new construction, so we expect it to be 1 year old. It's A.O. Smith. That'd be 2019. It's still, that's when it was manufactured. So, oh, no, it wasn't. Birth date, build date, 2021 is 1 year old. So don't get ahead of myself. There's your care and use manual. Did I say that already? So we learned about the water heater. Basically, we learned that we could use a little more insulation, and that's about it. I mean, it's pretty much textbook installation. Care and use manuals there, all that. Now remember I was talking about the gas, and this is the your plumbing a Texas homeowner water shutoff valve inside. And I'll just go ahead and talk about this for a moment if you haven't heard about it already. This is a pressure reduction valve or adjustment, and it's a backflow. You have a backflow, then you're supposed to have an expansion tank, and you do have that coming on along here. This is and you have two of them. How about that? You got isolations for your valve. That's pretty nice. Parallel is on. I just turned off all the water to the house. You have an emergency, do that. Especially if that guy's leaking. If that guy's not leaking, this is also an emergency shut-off valve. I just turned off all the water to the house. Just like that. Now I turned it on. Perpendicular is off, parallel is on. So what do we learn? We learned we need a little bit of insulation up there. Really, is that it? Oh, no, we need insulation here too. That's what we learned.